Okay, so I'm gonna tell you why in 2025 I am choosing Bubble as my no-code stack to build SaaS businesses this year and how it's changing my life. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Just 4 months ago, I did not know how to code. I still don't know how to do traditional coding, but I have recently learned how to use Bubble, and I'm currently building several SaaS businesses using no code. Hi, my name is Stefan, and I'm a solopreneur, and I focus on building businesses. My goal with this channel is to introduce you all to the entrepreneurial lifestyle. So what I mean by that is that it's not going to be just no code. It's going to be business related. Right now, my journey is building SaaS businesses with Bubble, with no code. So that's where our focus will be at. In this video, I'll explain why I'm using Bubble, what's special about it, and how it's helping me build my dreams businesses. I will also take you at the end of the video inside of an app that I'm building called Lazy Social, what is a social media scheduling app for solopreneurs, for freelancers, and for creators. So stick around if you want to actually get a look inside of what I'm actually building with Bubble. So let's hop right in and I can show you why I'm choosing to use Bubble to build SaaS in 2025. So this is actually a look into my very first SaaS business that I built myself with no help from a team or anything like that. This isn't the current SaaS I'm working on, so still stick around to show you so I can show you what I'm working on now. The reason why I'm choosing Bubble is that it's fully customizable. So this was a SaaS business that I built called Legal Sleuth HQ, and what it does, it takes a document's information and you can post it into the platform here, and it will give you any legal terms or legal clauses that should be looked at by a lawyer. So it pretty much lets you know what you're signing. And I was able to customize a lot of stuff here. I'm not gonna go through the features, so I did shut down the app. Um, one thing when it comes about building businesses is that there need to be some type of market fit, and not a lot of people showed interest in this app. Even though I think it is a pain point and is important, didn't show a lot of interest for users. So I ended up just shutting down the app. However, I was able to customize a lot of stuff here, and it's just pretty cool. Like let's see if it actually still works. It does still works. So I was able to get the stripe up. I don't think it's gonna let me. Also, Bubble has very powerful features like the database. The database can hold a lot of stuff. Now, when it comes to when your app get bigger, a lot of people do transition to a third-party database because of the workflow there. But Bubble allows you to dynamically put in data dynamically do different features of a press of a button, and it's just amazing. What Bubble allows me to do is it allows me to, get these ideas out, build things. And one of the ideas I had, and that's changing my life now, is called Lazy Social. Lazy Social is the personification of how I feel when it comes to posting social media. I hate it. I hate posting. It takes so much time to make the content and then post the content and then go to another social media platform to post that content. And what I decided to do, and I'll be honest, it was based off of what I saw was working in the market. And that's a social media scheduler. And what I decided to do was actually build out a social media schedule for myself. And currently, the reason why it's changed my life because I do have beta testers already for this app, and it's called Lazy Social. You can check it out at lazysocial.app, and it's changing my life, and it's gonna probably lock me in. Yeah, because I'm already logged in, so it's gonna log me in. That's how I set it up. That is a great thing. The way I set that up is that if the user's already logged in, if they go to lazysocial.app, it automatically brings them into the page, right? These are things you can set up. These are common UI UX functions of any website. But just to take a look at it, and the reason why Bubble is my go-to is because how dynamic this is, where I can click a page, right? And it can brings up different things super quick, right? And you can see it's not taking any time to load. And these are little things you'll learn how to do in Bubble. If you have a teacher, is using the parameters to get the page to just move a little quicker. And I want to show you something, right? So right now, there's a issue that I want to have, or sorry, solve. And that issue is that how do I know what page I'm on? Of course, if I read it, I can read it, but a great user interface would be if this right here stayed highlighted. So I'm gonna just show you like what you can do in Bubble and how quick it is to change things, to make different make different functions in Bubble. So what I want to do is I'm gonna go to my main page, and what I want to do is I want to change the condition. So Bubble has conditional things here. So it just says, hey, if this happened, make that happen. If this happened, make that happen, correct? So we're gonna do page URL. So when get data from page URL parameter get okay, so y'all I actually did something wrong. I realized how I set up lazy social. So actually we're gonna get rid of what I had did before. I have a pop-up that actually takes in the data, the information from the URL. So its nav URL path is new post. That should solve our issue there. So now when we click on new post, you can see it's highlighted now. So what we'll do here, we'll copy this. Actually, I want to mess around with the color real quick. Sorry guys. This is me literally doing this. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I didn't want to bore y'all with me trying to figure out how I want the colors to be. Listen, my UI is not that good. If you ask me, I'm going to actually change it, and I'm gonna put out a video too because I use AI to help me design because I'm not a UX UI designer, so I use AI to help me design. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just copy and pasting um, what I had here, and I'm pasting it to each one, and I'm changing it to its um, perspective category. Right, this is a post, content creation, content creation, things creation, accounts, and accounts. There you go. So what's gonna happen is that and if you saw my door open, most likely it's my cat. So now when this is clicked, the user can know what profile or what part of the page they're on with a static, not a static, it's dynamic, but with a background that's that stays constant. Okay, so as you can see, we kind of veered off of the original plan for this video, and that's okay. Because here's the thing: late when I said late social personify, like my feelings when it comes to posting, what I just did personifies when it comes to making videos. I even had listen. I'll be honest with y'all, right? Because I feel like as an entrepreneur, and this is what this channel is going to be about, just transparency. This is a script I have that I was supposed to follow for this video. Um, I didn't follow it. and that's okay. Okay, so as you can see, I did not even follow what was in the script. That's what this channel is going to be. It's going to be me kind of just being real, going with the flow. Because just like I said, that lazy social personifies how I feel about posting. It also personifies how I feel about making videos. Like I can talk, I can do stuff. I don't want to edit this video. So if I don't follow a script, I don't gotta edit. If I just go with the flow, I don't gotta edit. But I do hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like the video at any point in time, made you laugh, maybe it got you hyped about using Bubble, just like the video. Share it, subscribe, do all the things you're supposed to do for stuff like this. I would really appreciate it. I made a mental commitment, not publicly committing this, but I made a mental commitment to at least post a video once a week. So 4 videos during this whole year for 12 months. Because 12 months are gonna pass anyway, so I might as well do something with it. Anyway,
Also subscribe because I will be showing y'all the journey when it comes to Lazy Social and everything I'm doing. Right now, I do have beta testers for Lazy Social. And if you want to become a beta tester for Lazy Social, if you're a solopreneur, freelance creator, or anybody just who hate posting to multiple social platforms and the time it takes to do it, join the beta testing. Go to lazysocial.app and just sign up and you'll get brought into the Discord. And from there, you can get into Lazy Social to start testing it out for free. I would love to have you. Anyway, have a blessed day. Bye.